We were already customers using Service Desk Pro, and we had a fantastic relationship with the ManageEngine team. So we put a proof of concept in place for Desktop Central at the time, and then decided to go ahead with that. I'm Chris Jackson. I am the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Manager for Kingspan Limited. We are a large manufacturing organisation based around the world where we have over 65 sites, 40 of which are manufacturing. For choosing Endpoint Central for our team, we had a number of challenges. The most serious of which was an audit and compliance challenge where we were not able to effectively report on our estate. So we looked at a tool that would be able to fill that requirement, as well as the day-to-day management of our patching and endpoint protection on them. And very key for us, as I've already said, was the relationship that we had with the ManageEngine team. We felt that they would listen to us and work with us across our challenges, which has turned out to be true. One of the key challenges was being able to report accurately on how we were actually undertaking the patching process and the endpoint management process on there. Previously we were using another tool which, although capable, was very difficult to manage and needed a lot of resources to do. Very quickly, with help from the ManageEngine team, we got Endpoint Central set up. On there we were able to deploy the agent to pretty much all of our estate in very quick fashion. We were able to start patching, and we will be able to get some visibility then from the reports and dashboards that we had within the product. They enabled us to complete our reconciliation process much easier and document that process for our auditors, who were satisfied that we were able to manage our estate effectively. The product was capable, it was very easy to implement after a proof of concept on there, and the cost was right as well. Endpoint Central came out as a clear winner at that point. Implementation was very straightforward. We started off with a Desktop Central product that was on-prem. We had the servers up and running in a very short period of time. We moved to Endpoint Central, and since moving to Endpoint Central, we have probably added 30 locations into our estate and between 1,500 and 1,800 users, all of which was done very seamlessly. We're quite an acquisitive company. We acquire new locations periodically, and we find that our process of onboarding them is pretty simple with Endpoint Central. We'll push an agent out them to start off with, see where they are, what vulnerabilities may be on there, and what we need to manage as an immediate concern. So Endpoint Central has a number of tools that make my job easier on a day-to-day basis. The most obvious tools are the visibility of the estate, the option to be able to see where everything is, and in a few clicks understand where you have missing patches and vulnerabilities as a result of that. One of my favourite features is a very simple config feature which allows us to do the silent deploy for patches, so that our customers don't get interrupted all the time. The patches still happen in the background, but they don't have to see the pop-ups or anything like that. It's simple, but it works very well. Having a tool which we know we can deploy and manage our estate quickly helps me sleep at night, knowing that we have that level of protection in place. Since deploying Endpoint Central, we know that our turnaround time from patches being released and we first getting notification of them to the patch being deployed to our endpoints has dramatically reduced. In our previous tool, this may take, depending on what level the patch was, 2 or 3 days to do. We can now get critical patches out pretty much instantly, which is a huge advantage. In terms of our reporting and our reconciliation process, using the dashboards and the tools built in to Endpoint Central in conjunction with our other tools has reduced the reporting time dramatically on vulnerabilities. Is now much quicker and easier for us to demonstrate to our auditors what we have done as well. So it's not just a time saving in the doing the report, it's easier to demonstrate to external parties that we are complying with whatever requirement we need to.